Far Hills Acupuncture presents Korean hand acupressure for common headaches with Fritz Froelich, acupuncturist, presenting. What is Korean hand acupressure? Korean hand acupuncture, or acupressure, is a system of acupuncture developed in 1972 by Dr. Yu-Tai Woo, a Korean acupuncturist. He found that when he could treat any part of the body through the hands, much like reflexology, he also discovered that all the channels and points of acupuncture are also reflected in the hands. Cautions and contraindications. KHT is meant to be a support and adjunct to your normal headache treatment. It is not a replacement for conventional medical care. If your headache does not resolve with this basic treatment, it could be a sign of something more severe. Please consult with your medical practitioner for additional help. The tools needed. Today you will need a probe or the tip of a pen, pellets, and possibly medical tape to hold the pellets in place. The pellets come in different sizes and shapes, colors. They can even be magnets. We will discuss these in the future as we need them. So where do we treat? Here we have the back of the hand representing the back of the body, with the back of the head in the middle finger, the neck, the upper back with ribs, the mid-back, the lumbar region, more specifically lumbar vertebrae, sacrum, pelvis, the hip, the knee, and the ankle. This is the shoulder, this is the elbow, and the wrist. On the front of the hand, we have the face with the eyes and the nose and the mouth and the ear located on the middle finger. This region represents the neck, the chest, the abdomen, with the center of the palm where the umbilicus is located. This is the arm and the leg. It is important to remember that the left hand is used to treat the left side of the body. The right hand is used to treat the right side of the body. How do we treat? When we treat, we look for the most tender spot that corresponds to the area of pain. In this case, headache. We look for spots on the middle finger that corresponds to the head. This area corresponds to the top of the head. This to the eye. This to above the eye, above the ear, across the cheekbone. And this area on the back of the finger corresponds to the back of the skull. We look for a point by treating and pressing upon the area either with the tip of a pen or a probe, and when we find the most tender spot, this is the area we seek to treat. Example treatment: headache above the left eye. In this treatment, we begin by using a point that corresponds to where the pain is located in the head. In this case, above the left eye on the middle finger. Additionally, we use a point on the back of the finger that corresponds to the back of the head. This point will always be used for any headache condition. Additionally, we use two other points on the ring finger and the little finger that help to treat for this pain condition. Where do we get supplies? Far Hills Acupuncture at the following phone number and email